Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play with friends in Far Far West. I'll show you how to go ahead and join your friends and also how to invite your friends to your session. To join your friend session, click here on the home screen on Browse Sessions, click on Join with Code, and then go ahead and type in their session code. So this is my friend's session code, then you click on OK, and as you can see it is looking for that session, and then say yes, you still want to join, and now we are joining my friend's session. As you can see right here, I have managed to join my friend's session, and now I'll show you how to go ahead and create your own session and invite your friends. To do this, go ahead and click on Create Session. Click here on Solo or with Steam Friends, and then what I need you to do is press Escape on your keyboard, click on Current Session, and then you can share this session code, or you can invite a Steam friend by clicking on this icon, and then I want you to just choose your friend to invite. So this friend is online, I can go ahead and click on that friend, and we have sent them an invite. You can also make your session public if you want, and just share the code with multiple people. And that is how to play with friends in Far Far West. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.